Here's a Bondo knife. Works really good for getting inside these coils. Scrape. And it's plastic, it's not going to hurt the coil. And just get in every one. You can go all the way around, but usually most of the dirt and grime is in the top, is in the bottom. But just dig right through there. Make sure they're all clean. Hear that? Junk in there. What you're going to do is knock it through there, and it's going to come out that drain in the bottom. You'll flush it out with water, and it'll go down into the drain, into the trap, so you have to clean the trap out. But then you're good to go. Once you got all that junk out of there. So just go through, knock all of it through. Every single one of these. No matter how deep they go. Well, have fun with that. Bondo, you can get these auto stores. My wife said you can get them at dollar stores. She uses them for scraping dishes in the kitchen. So, really nice. You need them thin to get between there. Alright, there it is.